Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel after a lovely weekend, or I hope it was a lovely weekend for you. A busy one for me. We're going to cover Tesla today. I'm going to start with the S&P 500 and then just get into some technicals with Tesla. So what we got for on the S&P 500 today is we have pretty much a flat day right here. So let's just zoom in real quick. And you can see we had a high of about 420 and a low about 417. We ended at 418.79, so up 0.04%. Pretty much a flat day. It's not really going to tell us anything as far as direction one way or another. Just keep in mind we are still above both of these 25 and 7-day moving averages. And then right here, this cloud, I have the Ripster cloud, just to show an overall trend. We are above that as well. So that right now, those are three signs for at least it being in an uptrend, bullish as far as the indicators are showing. And then we have the TSI. So let's just bring that up for a second. And we are blue on the TSI and we are up over the zero line. And then we have this histogram right here to kind of help show the trends and the momentum of the trends. And we are green on the histogram as well. We have a green bar there. So everything right now is showing the indication of an uptrend. And so that's how we're going to treat the market right now. Is it safe to get in if you were going to go long on the S&P 500? Well, as far as the indicators are showing, it is, and it's not super overbought. So just bring the TSI up real quick. You know, overbought would be something right up above this this red line right here, if you can see that right there. And we're kind of hanging out in the middle, not overbought necessarily, not oversold. So let's just bring up Tesla because that is what we are looking at today. And you can see Tesla. Now, Tesla is showing what I would consider a potential change in momentum. And the reason why I say that is because we have the 25 and the 7-day moving averages. They did just recently cross. So we want to enter a long position when the price action is above these two lines and the lines cross. And we want to enter it on a blue TSI uptrend. And if this is blue right here, most likely the histogram is going to be green. The histogram is really to show momentum. So you can see as the TSI reaches that overbought, you start to lose momentum, and then you can start to see the change in direction. So if we're just going to go through the checklist real quick for Tesla, we are above those two moving averages. We have the blue cloud on the TSI and we're green on the histogram. And the only hesitation, the only thing that's really showing bearish right now is that we're still under this Ripster cloud right here. So what you want to do with this setup at least is you want to go long when there's an uptrend on the Ripster cloud, right? Now, with that said, it doesn't mean that you can't go long. It's just a little bit riskier to do so. So what what a good strategy would be is you could enter long here. And then you want to really just see at least a bounce off of the red cloud, or you want to see the cloud turn green. And a little final indication you can look at is the half trend. And you do see the half trend did turn blue very recently. It looks like a couple days ago, maybe Thursday or Friday last week. So it's not the worst thing in the world to get in to go long on Tesla. You just have to keep in mind that we are still under the Ripster cloud, and that this could reverse back down. And I can show you right here where we did exactly have that, right? So we were in an uptrend right here according to the moving averages, and then we actually did get a bounce off of the Ripster cloud, came up, the cloud turned green very slightly right over here, right on the 21st of September of 2022 before we failed. So it is a good indication of how you can play this if you just put a stop loss down here, or you just watch these moving averages, and if these moving averages cross back and the price action goes back below them, then it would be a good time to exit the trade, and basically you just stop yourself out and wait for the next opportunity. If you're looking to play it either way, If that does happen, then you can turn it into a short, close out your long positions, and then go short. So that's all I got for you today. If you like this content, the easiest thing you can do is just hit the like button. But if you want to see more, just hit the notification bell and turn the subscriptions on so you can see all of my latest content. We'll see you next time. Thanks.